This video, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify plan. So to get started, go ahead and open Shopify on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now at the bottom left of your screen, you'll find the settings button. So click on the settings button and this will take you to your settings. So in here, go ahead and head over into the billing section. So in this section, you'll be able to find your current billing cycle, past bills, and subscriptions. So click on your subscriptions. So click on this view all subscriptions. And in here, you'll be able to find the current subscription that you're signed up for. So if you want to cancel this, you need to go ahead and head over into the plan section that you'll find above the billing section. And then from there, go ahead and click on that cancel subscription button at the right side of your current subscription. And that is how you can basically cancel your Shopify plan.